About 2 years ago, I kickstarted my kitchen makeover by making this DIY kitchen island. Well, unfortunately, I had a leak I was not aware of for some time that has caused a lot of damage to the main cabinets. All of the bottom cabinets will need to come out eventually, and probably the flooring too, in order to repair the damage. As you can already see, all of the moisture has already caused the bottom cabinets to warp, and so they will all need to be replaced. Figured I would kickstart the kitchen makeover once again with the same DIY island. I'm going to be showing you how to paint these cabinets the easy way without the need to sand or prime and still get professional looking results. So that way, if you've been thinking about painting your cabinets or changing the color of your cabinets, but you've been too intimidated to try to do it yourself, you'll see exactly why it's really not that hard. The first thing I'm going to do is remove all of the hardware. I'm going to then clean the island really well using a degreaser, followed by just clean water to remove any residue. Once I've cleaned everything really well, I'm going to remove the doors to make it just a little bit easier to paint. This is a great time to thank the sponsor of today's video, Beyond Paint. I've worked with Beyond Paint several times now since starting my furniture flipping and home renovations, and I have always been impressed. Beyond Paint is an all-in-one paint made in the USA. It makes application super easy and user-friendly, requiring no stripping, no sanding, and no priming. It's great for beginners, DIYers, and even seasoned pros. It reduces the time needed to paint, requires less effort and less money without sacrificing the finish. When first applied, it can look a little bit textured, but as it dries, it self-levels on its own, leaving you with a smooth, uniform finish. It is a water-based, low VOC formula, making it safe for pets and people, and a great choice for painting inside projects, just like this kitchen island. I decided to go with the color Sage as I will be changing the color of the main cabinets as well. If you've been intimidated to paint your own cabinets or furniture and have been unsure because of the long process it can be, don't worry, it doesn't have to be. Let me show you just how easy it can be using Beyond Paint. They are offering my viewers a 10% discount on all paint products on their website using my code at checkout. That's for 10% off your online purchase of Beyond Paint all-in-one paint. Be sure to check them out and stay tuned to see the end of the video for results of the island. I waited overnight to then install the doors back on and add the hardware. It took me a total of maybe 2 working hours to actually paint it, including both coats, but not including the drying times. I was able to accomplish it in 4 days in the evenings after my full-time job. Now let's look at this before and what it looks like now. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all, be kind, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.